This is a Hoover wind tunnel. It's making an awful rattling noise, like there's something in the roller, but there's not. It's really not that old. So here, listen. Here's the factory sticker on this particular Hoover with the model number and whatnot. If you need to see if it matches yours, I think a lot of them are pretty similar. To get to the roller, you gotta take the cover off. So this one just has these two little clips. You just undo those and the roller cover will come off. There's not a whole lot of parts to vacuum cleaners that go bad that I know of. So there's like a motor, a belt, and a roller, as far as I know, and some filters. So just pop that cover off and you can get to the roller. I've had this thing off a bunch of times trying to figure this out. The belt's brand new, just put that on. I spun it by hand to see if it was rubbing on something. I did finally take it off because I was mad, and I pulled the ends off to see what was in there. And they do have little bearings in there. So to take the roller out, it just sits in those little slots. You just pull it out of the slots and unhook it from the belt. There's a little bit of tension on that belt, but that's a good thing. So yeah, those little bearings do go bad, I guess. I couldn't find any info on YouTube about Hoovers specifically. So I ordered another one of these rollers online. It's pretty cheap, like 14 bucks or something. Free shipping. I don't remember where I got it from, but anyways, the new one, it's a little different. I'm sure they're just constantly trying to improve on design or whatever, but it is the same size. It does fit. I'm going to stick it in there and fire it up, see what happens. That was definitely the problem. So if you got a Hoover, I hope that helps, and good luck.